Ad seriatim is a Latin phrase that means one after another, or in a series. It is often used in legal contexts to describe a process where multiple issues are addressed in a specific order. When a judge delivers an opinion on a case, they may do so ad seriatim, addressing each issue one by one in a specific order. Similarly, a court may deal with multiple legal issues ad seriatim, meaning they address each issue in a specific order. For example, if a court is dealing with a case that involves both criminal charges and civil claims, they may address the criminal charges first, and then move on to the civil claims ad seriatim.